story time now. Shall we move on to the story? Okay. You listen carefully. First we see the topic. Earth, the desolated home. Desolated. I have already told the meaning, no? Do you remember? Desolated means deserted or damaged. Okay. It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the Earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. Look at the first sentence. It was the year 2068. Which year are we now? Very good. So, it is a future time, 2068. Why do the humans colonizing in red planet? Because they have destroyed the earth, so there was no place to live in. So they started moving on to red planet Mars. India established 3 colonies. The whole world is moving to the Mars, so India also setting colonies there. Arivumadi's family lived in one such colony. The heroine of this story, Arivumadi, she had their family and they are also moving to such colony. On her birthday, her grandfather travelled more than 1,500 kilometers to meet her. So it was on her birthday, her grandfather was going to her house. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. Do you remember the capsule? What? Is it a medicine? No. Capsule means a case or container in cylindrical form. He said, "Wake up, Arivu." Arivumadi was surprised. "Grandpa, when did you come? I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday." When grandfather came, she was surprised to see him because she thought that he won't be coming for her birthday. So she was surprised. He sighed. "Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars?" Dust storm. What is dust storm? Oh, it is a turbulent wind which carries dust or soil. So often there was dust storm in Mars. Sometimes it even lasts for a month. This is dust storm, no? It even lasts for 1 month. But this time it didn't. So I am on time. What is the meaning on time? He came at the proper time. Right. It still took me 3 sols to reach here. Sols. What is sol? Yes, it is a solar day in Mars. Very good. Now, come on. Let's not waste time. We will go harvest the vegetation hub for vegetation. So, they are hurrying up to go to the vegetation hub. What is hub? Habitat. Very good. In the hub, he said, these carrots are not tasty anymore like the ones I ate in my childhood. Look at the sentence, children. He had eaten these carrots in his childhood on earth. Now he is in his old age. So he was longing to get those carrots. She asked, "Why do you say so, Grandpa?" Grandfather explained, "The vegetable we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth because they don't have the taste of the carrots as they grow on earth. I really wish you had tasted the carrots from the earth." Grandfather wanted her to taste those carrots from the earth. Arivu asked eagerly, "How did they grow the crops and vegetables on the earth?" She was very eager to know about the earth. We too know. We asked our grandparents to tell the story about their childhood, isn't it? So Arivu was also eagerly asking her grandfather to say about the earth. Okay, we'll see the rest of the story in the next week. Bye. Shall we move on to the activity time? Are you ready? It's very interesting. Now, first activity is dictation. Shall we see the dictation words? Desolated. Say after me, okay? Desolated. Desolated. Desolatd. Desolated. Next, destroyed. 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 Colonizing. 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 Established. 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 Next, colonies. 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 Traveled. Travelled. Traveled. Traveled. Next, capsule. 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 Surprise. 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 Next one, side. Sighed. Sighed. Side. Next, dust storm. Duststorm. Duststorm. 11th one, sols. 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 12th one, harvest. Harvest. Usually, when R comes in the middle, it is silent. Harvest. We should not say that harvest. Okay? Harvest. 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 Is it clear, children? Can you learn all these words? Okay. The next activity is arrange the jumbled words. Jumbled means mixed up. They are not in the proper order. Okay. Can you do the thing? You read the spelling. Which letter comes first? You have to arrange it in a proper order and make a word which comes in the lesson. Okay. Are you ready to do this? Right. Next. Next activity is very interesting. Find a new word from the given word. I have given a word. From that word, you can frame so many sentences. I wish you to write at least 3 words or 2 words. Okay? Are you ready? Right. For example, if I give human, there is man in this. There is hum, none. These are the words we can find in the word human. Like this, I have given established, dust storm, harvest, capsule, desolated, traveled. Okay? Established, dust storm, harvest, capsule, desolated, traveled. Okay. Now I have given the meanings. You go through the meanings. You learn those meanings because there is a question from the question paper. You will get the first question itself is meanings. Okay, meanings or synonyms. Okay, you learn through this and ready for the test. Ask your mummy or daddy to give a test in this meanings. Okay.